Well, hi there pluckers, I'm a Sore Fingers again with you. Hopefully you're all well and raring to go on my lesson on Strawberry Queen from Charles Wesley Godwin. I did a preview of this a couple of days ago where I just played the song through, or half the song I should say, to give you a flavour of it in case you're interested. So in this lesson I'm going to be concentrating on the intro, because it's the hardest part of the song, and it's also played after the first verse or in between verses, and also after the chorus is played before the next verse, so to speak, and can be used as the outro as well. Okay, so before we start, I'm in standard tuning, okay, but I do have a capo on the 3rd fret, as does Charles Godwin. Okay, we're playing it the same way that he does. Okay, so let's get to it. So we're starting off with a lead up into a C chord, and it starts off with an open A string hammering up the 5th string to the 2nd fret. Okay, I'm using my 2nd finger for that. So open A string to this, hammer up to the 2nd fret, keeping your finger there, the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. You hammer it again from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret. So you go, got that? Then what you do is you form your C chord, standard C chord, and you strum. Okay, so it's, and then what we do is we open up the 4th string on the C chord, take the 2nd finger off the 4th string, open up the 4th string, the D string, and hit that note and hammer into that 2nd fret. Back again, put that finger back again to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. So it's, and then strum the rest of the strings. So it's, okay, so now you've got this. Even slower. Then you hit the root note again on the C chord, which is that 3rd on the 5th, and strum. Okay, so it's, so far. Once again, slowly. Do another one of those. So it's open 4th string, hammer into the 2nd fret, strum. So now we've got this. Okay, now what we do is we take this 2nd on the 4th and the open 3rd string, and we slide it up this 4th string from 2 to 5 on the 4th string, open with the 3rd string as well, open, and we do 2 hits on that. When it gets there, hit it again. So it's, so now you've got this. Okay. Then we go down with this 4th string down to the 3rd fret, 4th string, along again with the open 3rd. So it goes, and then down to the 2nd fret along with the open 3rd. So just those 2 strings, okay? So once again, all the way from the beginning up to that point, yeah? Slowly. Okay, now we go to a G chord. You can play it this way or the backward way. I tend to play it the backward way or reverse way. And you form the G chord, whichever way you're doing it, play the bottom E string, root note, 3rd fret, bottom E string, strum the chord. So now you've got okay, and after you've done that strum, you open up the 5th string and open up the 5th string, hammer it into the 2nd fret and strum the rest of the chord. Right, so you've got right, so it's okay, so now all the way from the beginning up to that point, very slowly, okay? Okay, got that far. The next chord is an F major 7. Very simple, it's a basic F chord with the bar lifted up. So the top E string is open. You're only fretting the 1st fret of the 2nd string with the 1st finger on the F chord. So the top E string is open, making it an F major 7. And once you've formed that chord, you hit the 4th string on the 3rd fret there, strum the rest of the 3 downwards or 4 downwards. And then what we do is you lift up this 1st finger and play the 2nd string open, and then hammer back in again to the 1st fret. So got that. Okay, so you got, and then another strum. Okay, so now you've got, after this slidey bit, slowly after the slidey bit. Got that. Then we go to the C, play the root note, and then a strum. So 3rd on the 5th, strum. Then the open 4th, hammer into the 2nd fret, strum. So it's from the slidey bit, okay, as far as we got. Then we go back to the F major 7th and we do the sort of same thing again but slightly different. Play the 4th string, strum, but this time you open up the 3rd string, make the G string open and hammer into that, back into the 2nd fret, strum. So okay, open 3rd string, hammer into the 2nd fret, 3rd string, strum. Then back to the C, root note, 3rd on the 5th, strum, open 4th like you did before, hammer into the 2nd fret, strum. Okay, so far from the slidey bit, back to the C, again that open 4th, 2nd fret, back to the F major 7th, root note, 3rd on the 4th, strum, open 3rd string again, hammer, back to the C, and then finally go back to the G chord, whichever way you're doing it, root note, 3rd on the bottom E string, strum, and then put, you need to fret the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string, and then the open 4th string, C, 3rd on the root note, 3rd on the 5th, strum, open 4th, 2nd, and hammer in again. So that from the slidey bit, start singing, okay? The verse comes in. So there we have it, boys and girls, the intro come instrumental bit throughout the song. So we'll go through the whole thing from the beginning very, very slowly, okay? And then you've got the complete intro, hopefully. So here we go. Okay, so that's it at a fairly slow rate. Obviously you need to practice that and speed it up to get something like this. Okay, and at that point I'm going to leave that with you because that's probably going to take you a while to get your head round. And in part 2 we'll do the rest of the song, which is a lot simpler than what we've just done. Okay, it's just verses and choruses, and that's it. The rest of the song is, say, hopefully a bit simpler than what we've just done. So see you in the second lesson. Thank you very much. Bye for now.